Stay up. Time to go. 7:45.
Stand by for attack.
Ready, mount.
Ready, mount.
4, 3, 2, 1. That's the start.
Of the right flag class.
Trim in. Trim in. Trim in. Hold.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Again. Just a few thank yous. First, the Antigua Yacht Club, in particular Carl James and his team, Dave Fitzmaurice, and of course our Commodore Elizabeth Jordan. We have an organising committee, and of course all headed up by our chairman, Kenny Coombs.
But I'm just going to point out a couple of things. Areas that are obstructions and or restrictions. To avoid any dangerous situation, collisions, whatever, without penalty.
Waiting for the judges.
It's a big day.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, a little nervous. Sometimes you're close to others who you don't trust.
So few boats you could go alongside.
Yeah. This would have been
Not surprised at any of them.
some
woods they sell.
If the rig's been changed, 3 times? Partners in the same place. The height of the mast with the topmast is pretty close to the original.
Is that original, that little detail, that roller?
No, it just came from the way that we were leading into it.
Yeah, no, it's very nicely done though.
And Jane, how is life going downstairs?
Oh, it's all fine. It's all very serious.
Did they like it? What do you think?
Oh yes, they said it's going to be very difficult to judge this year. They've been on 4 boats and 3 of them are possible winners already.
Probably we are one of them.
I think so. I think we're in good standing.
Should I just jump in the water?
It's okay, there's an engine. There's an engine.
The smaller one, Dad? Yeah. No, the smaller one you give me now.
Thanks, same size.
Nice to meet you.
That's a real tattoo. That's great. That's fantastic.
For those of you who have just arrived from the frozen tundra, everybody's brutalised. The forecast tomorrow is hairy. Everybody's getting wet. Waves flush the cockpit. There's no place safe on the deck.
what happened?
I'll tell you in a minute, but there's some broken wood up there. There's the bolster. The wire's like down here. Yeah. Right, that piece is broken.
Just check the wire is being attached to the mast there, Sam.
So now that it's slipped down, it's a straight line.
Yes. As opposed to that.
Instead of a little bit of a shoulder.
Yes.
Every boat has their day today, so the guys that have been coming last might even make first. So anyway, let's just be safe and have a good time.
Go forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice start.
She has proudly represented this province and its people ever since. She won the International Fisherman's Trophy with a postage stamp issued and coin minted in her honor. She represented the country at the 1933 Chicago World's Fair.
Hello! So what a fantastic fantastic 4 days of racing. Record number of boats, highest winds we've ever had here, the biggest seas. I think everybody had a really good time. We'd like to thank the Antigua government, and thanks to our sponsors, Panorama Melke and the rest, officers and staff, and all the volunteers that made this 26th event a huge success. You guys ready for the Concord Elegance prize giving? Let's hear it for Adventurous. Let's hear it for Adventurous.
The overall winner of the Antigua Classic Yacht Regatta Concord Elegance 2013 is Adventurous. Tears and joy goes into maintaining these boats.
The John Phillips Trophy for the most photogenic yacht. Adventurous, won by Victor Yanovich.
I'm going to stand there as well. You got to step back for us. Can you just step back?
All right, it's here for Adventurous.